Hey y'all, Shalonda here from Collegiate Connections. Let's talk about some of this business 101 startup in your business credit right quick, shall we? So, today I'm going to bring you about 5 different net 30 companies that are great to have as a startup so that you can build your business credit starting with tier 1. The first one is the CEO Creative. What do? They empower entrepreneurs with branding tools, marketing products, and credit building opportunities. Their Net 30 program has a wide range of business supplies to make it easier for small businesses to grow and scale. They have up to a $5,500 credit limit. Edward Don and Company. What do? Where are my food people at? They distribute quality restaurant and food service products nationwide. They're great for hospitality businesses seeking kitchen equipment, tabletop accessories, and more. Where are my apparel folks at? There's with all the hot new clothing. Branded Apparel Club. They craft custom apparel to help businesses with brand building awareness, screen printing, embroidery, pre made options at wholesale prices, right? So they're cheaper. They provide a complete print on demand solution for entrepreneurs and small business owners, right? With up to a $5,000 credit limit. Who else do we have? We have Newegg. They combine personalized support for businesses with competitive prices on workstations, servers, printers, office supplies, IT needs, with at least, not up to, but at least a $10,000 credit limit. And Shirtsy, what do? That's a print on demand and promotional product platform to order custom merchandise like t shirts, business cards, branded material. So, yeah, click on the link so that you can connect with me, number one. And number two, get this tier 1 business credit underway. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.